favorite part of wash day. It's like rinsing away last week's vibes and infusing my hair with a fresh dose of nourishing goodness. This routine brings back the shine and health, making my hair longer, thicker, and stronger while keeping breakage, tangles, frizz, and dryness at bay. Hey beauties, welcome back and welcome if you're new. It's NekiCakes. A great wash day for me starts with a Prepoo treatment. The night before, I applied my DIY herbal hair juice and a hot oil treatment I made using fenugreek, rosemary, and burdock root. I finger detangled and covered my head with a bunch of hair ties just to make sure the oil does not leak onto my pillow. Now you know it's a good Prepoo treatment when you wake up the next day and your hair is looking like a fresh wash and go. The Prepoo treatment does not have to be overnight. It could be from 30 minutes to an hour. But doing a Prepoo treatment can help minimize breakage and tangles. Before I apply my shampoo, I'm going to make the hair mask. The recipe starts with 4 tablespoons of Amla powder. Amla is a key ingredient for growing longer hair. Rich in vitamin C, it is a growth magnet for our strands. Bringage powder is a must for dull, frizzy hair. This herb will be your friend. Hibiscus flower is one of my favorite Ayurvedic herbs. With hair growth magic promoting thicker, fuller hair, it's amazing for a healthy scalp. Only 1 tablespoon of shikakai powder is enough to nourish my scalp and help with dandruff. Allspice or ground pimento seeds is a game changer if you suffer from hormonal hair loss or stress. Use it every time. Aloe vera is a must in my skin and hair care. Aloe vera has the ability to heal, nourish, grow, and promote new hair follicles. It is a must for healthy hair. Using 1 tablespoon of rose water will help to add hydration, shine, and fix frizzy hair. Distilled or spring water is best to use. Just pour a little at a time when mixing, or else your mixture will become a little bit watery. If so, you can also add more powder or just put into a bottle just like what I did. Prepoo rinsed out and my hair is shampooed clean. You can see the curl pattern and difference in my density, but just wait till the end. My hair is really growing and getting thicker, okay? So I section my hair and I apply the hair mask all over using my fingers to really work in the mixture. But because the mixture is more on the watery side, my hair is going to absorb it so much more easier. So it's going to be easier when applying to my hair, but it's definitely going to be much more messy. So just make sure you have a bunch of your excess t-shirts to use or some old towels and all that good stuff. Once applied, I cover my hair for 2 hours. The hair mask is rinsed out and my hair was deep conditioned for 20 minutes. This wash week, I used my Rev Air to blow up my curls. I'm noticing that my hair is much more kinder to me, especially on wash days when I'm coming from a stretched out hairstyle. So, I usually like to do a chunky braid out, a flat twist, or even mini twist. I'm noticing my hair is loving it. But that's all for this week's video. Thank you all so much for watching and being so patient with me. Another video is coming, I promise. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye, beauties.